Hi everybody. This is my 2019 Indian Chieftain Limited. And the other day I was on the internet looking for different ways to improve the looks of my bike, and I found a video from a gentleman who had painted the Indian logo there on the frame of the bike, and I just wanted to show you how mine turned out and explain what I did to get that paint finish. So as you can see, mine is gold in color. You can obviously do any color you want. But the first thing I did is with masking tape, I just put little strips of masking tape all around the logo here and on this tube and on the other side also. Then I had some 150 grit sandpaper, and with my hand just sanded all this raised section down, sanded down the war bonnet on the Chief. And then I had purchased a pen from a local craft store that has gold colored paint in it, and came back and just traced over all the letters and numbers and the Indian war bonnet there. One word of advice is make sure you have a rag handy just in case you happen to slip and you put gold paint in these little areas over here. I had that happen a couple times, but luckily I had a rag and was able to wipe it up before it actually dried. And I did 3 different coats on it. I let it dry for about 2 hours in between coats, so it was about a 6-hour process, but it was real fast. It was just the dry time that took so long. But I think it looks really sharp, and I think it'll make your bike stand out in a crowd too. So don't be afraid to do that. Give it a try. I'm really impressed the way it looks. So be careful out there on your bikes and stay safe.